Think doing a quick, cute hairstyle on 4C hair is impossible? Let me show you some of the things I do to mold my thick, coarse hair into a nice, cute updo for work, for school, for meetings, for church. It doesn't matter. It's still cute and it's doable. So let's get started. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I washed and conditioned my hair. And we have coarse hair. I'm going to be starting off on damp hair. One of the things that I do, I use a leave-in conditioner to soften my hair when my hair is dry. But today I'm going to be trying out the HAIR leave-in conditioner just to see if it works well. So after applying it, as you can see, I'm struggling to detangle my hair. So this is not a leave-in conditioner that I'm going to be trying again on damp hair because it doesn't work. I decided to do a middle part, but as you can see, my hair is too short for a middle part. As you can see here, I'm struggling to get my hair to lay flat. So what I decided to do is just put everything back into one to make a small bun. As you can see, the leave-in conditioner is not one that I will recommend to use on wet hair, but I do recommend it if you need to use it on dry hair. It does help to soften the hair. It works best for me on dry hair. As you can see, I'm really struggling to get my hair into a ponytail. So now that I have my hair slightly molded, it's much easier for me to get my hair into a ponytail. As you can see, I'm struggling, but don't worry, that's because the leave-in conditioner that I did use was not one that I should be using on my wet hair. Okay, so now that I've molded the hair into a ponytail, I use a little bit of gel, not too much. One of the things that that you will notice that when you're using gel on damp hair, you use less when you're doing a bun, only when you're doing a bun. So now that I have my hair molded like that, I am going to braid the ends. I can't make one braid because my hair is a bit short, so I'm going to make several two-strand twists in order to get the ponytail to be tamed. Okay, so now that I have that done, I like to add this gel because with this gel my hair dries faster and it will last about 3 to 4 days. One of the tricks that you can do is use molding paper or wrapping paper to mold the bun. I find when I do use these, I get a flat, my hair is more flat. It comes out much better than just tying it down with a bonnet. So try using these wrapping papers when you are doing a bun and you're going to get a smoother and a much better result. So now I'm just going to tie my hair down and I'm going to do my hair a little later in the next day. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to be using this type of hair. I'm going to leave everything down in the description box. I really like this one. The only downfall with that type of hair to do a ponytail is that it tangles a lot. But I do like it because it mimics the way my hair looks. So now that I'm taking off the wrap paper, you're going to see how flat my hair is. And that's what my hair is looking like so far. So now I'm going to be adding the extension to help make the bun look much better, much cuter, much nicer. Okay, so that's what that is looking like. So here I was trying to see how I plan to do the bun, but the hair was too thick to do it the way that I thought. So what you can do is do it this way instead. Let me show you now. So doing it this way was much easier and faster to get the ponytail to look much cuter and nicer. Okay, so just mold the ponytail like that and just use some hairpins, and that's it. Let me know in the comments if this is a hairstyle that you think you can achieve by saying, yes, this hairstyle is cute, or yes, I will try it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you think that it was good, or you learned anything, or this is something that you will try. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If this video was useful to you and you'd like to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as to turn your notification on so that you don't miss any of my videos. And this is the finished look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios.